If you want to learn professional video editing, and that too for free, then you're at the right place. In this video, I'll take you through InShot, starting from the basics, all the way up to some cool advanced tricks. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll be editing smooth, creative videos ready for YouTube, Instagram, or any platform. So, let's dive in. First things first, install the InShot app on your phone. Open it, tap on Video, and pick the clips you want to edit. Here, I'm selecting this one, and this one. Once they load, you'll see them in your timeline. Now, swipe to move across. Pinch with 2 fingers to zoom in or out, and drag clips around to change their order. Now comes the most important part, removing the unwanted bits. Select your clip, tap Split, and delete the extra part. Or simply trim by dragging the edges until it feels just right. Made a mistake? No worries, just hit the undo button. Here's a pro tip: if something in the middle needs to go, split the clip twice and delete only the section in between. Want to adjust for YouTube, Instagram, or Shorts? Just tap Canvas. For a YouTube video, pick the 16:9 ratio and hit the tick button. Done. Once the cuts are clean, it's time to add some style. Add text, titles, captions, anything. Play with colors, fonts, and even animations that fade in or out. You can even upload your own fonts. Pretty cool, right? And yes, stickers and GIFs are here too. Let's say I need a timer sticker, I just search and pick the one I like. Perfect for reactions, fun edits, or just adding personality. Next up, audio. Tap the music option, choose from free songs, or import your own. Quick tip: always use copyright-free tracks to stay safe. And if you want to explain something, just record your voice right inside the app. For creators making reaction videos or gaming content, the picture-in-picture feature is a lifesaver. You can add another video or image on top of your main one. Resize it, and move it anywhere on screen. Add animations, adjust the timing, and suddenly your video feels much more dynamic. Now let's polish the look. Try filters and adjustments. Play with brightness, contrast, or saturation. Click here to preview how it looks before and after. And if you want the same filter across all clips, just go to Filter Options, hit the double-tick button, and boom, applied everywhere. Between clips, don't forget transitions. Smooth flow always beats jump cuts. And if you're ready to explore advanced editing, try keyframes. Set a start position, move forward, change the size, angle, or placement. Add another keyframe, and watch your clip transform with smooth animations. You can also add fun effects. Pick one, test it out, and see the magic. Finally, once you're happy with your project, hit export. Choose your resolution. 1080p works for most, but if you need ultra-high quality, go for 4K. Save it, and your video is ready to share with the world. And that's how you can edit like a pro, using just your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, drop a comment on what trick you'd like me to cover next, and of course, subscribe for more editing tips. Until then, keep practicing and keep creating.